Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to review Faber chimney. So this is a Faber 60 cm 1200 cubic meter per hour angular kitchen chimney. This is a Hood Everest edition. Let me show you first the walk around of packaging of chimney, how it arrived. Then I will give a brief description about it.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
So this is a Faber chimney. It comes with filterless technology and touch control. Its manufacturing year is March 2020. As you can see, this is our latest unit. It comes in two variants, 60 cm and 90 cm. This is 60 cm variant. The actual dimension of this chimney is 60 into 48 into 60 centimeters. That means 60 centimeter length, 48 width and 60 height. It comes with one chimney unit, one aluminum pipe or what you call host pipe, the other installation kit, and one oil collector tray. Now let's come to its feature. The first feature, thermal auto clean feature. Thermal auto clean features helps you to get rid of the sticky oil particles that gets inside the chimney and collect it in this oil collector, which is made up of stainless steel. Now to clean this chimney, as well to remove these oil particles, you just need to press this oil collector button for 3 seconds. The wind will run 9 minutes. After heating and clean will be finished in 1 minute. As you can see the overall thing here, this is the motor. The Faber gives the 5 years of guarantee on motor and 1 year of warranty on this unit. When auto clean is completed, you can use this Baffle filterless filter to clean by water. You just need to clean this in 1 month or so that it run properly. Now the second feature, as you can see, is its 1200 cubic per meter hour powerful suction. This chimney suction power is 1200 cubic meter per hour, which in turn produces maximum sound of 58 decibel. The another feature is the touch and gesture control. Most attractive feature, I would say, that is touch and gesture control. It comes with a feather control panel. Hand gesture control comes in handy or more useful while cooking, as your hands are oil and dirty. Without coming in direct contact with chimney, you can increase and decrease the speed, a simple wave of your hands. So at last, coming to the price, I ordered this chimney during the Diwali festive season from Amazon. It cost me 10,990 rupees. I said 10,990. I will provide the link for this product in the description below. You can check out there. This arrived one day before reserved. You can order and choose for delivery according to your feasibility. I will upload another video of installation work later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Comment below if you have any queries regarding Faber chimney. Thank you.